Good morning. This video is for period 3. Today is Monday, April 27th. And here we go again, a new week. All right, so we'll go over the activities for the week. And of course, I will go over the activities for today. Okay, so this is it. I am already on Google Classroom for period 4. Don't forget to check in. All right, if you're here right now, you should be checking in. And go onto the website. If I click on the website and I'm already here, so we can go over the activities for the day. I can go to period 4, week 3. I know that this online distance learning has been extended for 2 weeks. So you will see week 4 and week 5 under that tab explaining all your activities for that week. Okay? But let's go on to period 4. And you guys are day A for this week. Here we go, 100 points again. And we have 4 activities. There are no tests, no quizzes, no evaluations, just some readings as we move on to the new topic. Last week we were talking about viruses. You were learning about the basics of virus or virology and how it affects the human body system, how it goes from human to another human, and what can you do to prevent infection, a viral infection, correct? So today we move on again with environmental science. As always, you check in, at least do it twice a week and you'll be okay to get at least 10 points. All right, I understand that many students have not been able to check in as much as they wish. However, they have been doing the activities. So at least check in during the week, twice a week, the days that you have science, and that will give you 10 points. Okay? Today's activity is this, let's see, questions about viruses. No. I did post a wrong one. I can fix that in a few minutes. It's a learning curve for all of us. I'm not perfect, but I do have your activities for the week. Okay. Periods 3 and 4. There you go. Okay, once again, you get 10 points. But as we move on to a new topic, the next topic is weather and climate. All right. So we were learning about all the 4 types of systems on planet Earth. One of those being the atmosphere. One of the questions, I believe, from the test, or maybe something I've asked before in the atmosphere, what layer is where the changes of weather and climate, what layer in the atmosphere, where is it that weather and climate occur? And it's in the troposphere. But it's not as simple as that. There's a lot of things in play that affect the changes of weather and climate. There's a difference between weather and climate. And that's what we're doing this week. And we begin today with vocabulary, something you've done before. Okay? This video, it's only 5-6 minutes. This is something you've done in the past and should be easy to understand. Okay? 2 days from now, you'll have a reading to learn the difference between climate and weather. And on Friday, you will be learning or exploring in an online lab the instruments used to check the changes in weather. All right. I wish we were in school. I do have some of these instruments, but we're going to do the best that we can, and hopefully before the year is over, you get to use all these tools. Okay. But let's move on. Don't forget, this video will be posted in period 4 with this presentation. So, and don't forget, once again, the online website, it's only for instructions and organization of your activities, your work, your actual work. It's here in Google Classroom under the tab classwork. So here we go. This is today. If you haven't finished any of the other activities from before, please do that as soon as you can. Here we go. Activity, weather, and climate vocabulary. Super easy. You've done it before. In fact, it may only take you half an hour to do this. Let's close that one. And in this activity, once again, weather and climate vocabulary, you're looking for two things. You're looking for a definition, and you're looking for an image that reflects that definition. All right. There's a total of 14 words. 14 plus the title, the slide, it's a total of 15. Okay. So there's a few words here. Where do you find the definitions? You can use any resource. You want to use Google, you can. If you have a dictionary at home, maybe you want to use that. All right. So find your own definition, fill that out, paste an image that represents that definition or reflects that definition. You'll be done. Okay. And that is it. It's a quick introduction to weather and climate, gives you an idea of what are the types of things you're going to be learning. There's a few things here that you've done before, so it shouldn't be too hard. All right. For example, maybe I am going past 5 minutes. Let me fix that. You may have to do that yourselves, just like I'm doing. Convection. So fix that word, just like I'm doing right now. It said something else before in slide 7. Air convection current. Some of you have done this. All right. And if you remember the layers of the Earth, the interior, Earth's interior, we talked about convection currents and what drives those things, right? Anyway, definition, picture, turn it in, and you're done. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be here until 2:30, and that's it. See you in a couple of days. Toodaloo.